Hello.
And welcome back to Platonic Pals playing Alan Wake. It's been a little. It feels like it's been a little while since we last played, but it's only been a week and a half. I've been pretty busy since then.
Actually, you done some game stuff.
Yeah, I did a game jam, which turned out quite disastrous for us, but we're still working on it. So it's quite nice. I met some really cool people out of it, which is always very good.
The music guy. Shout out to the music guy.
Yeah, the music guy, who I won't name just yet, because we haven't become complete besties yet. But no, he's on the right vibe.
Good.
He's got our vibe,
Good.
sort of thing.
I like that.
Yeah, he's very chill. He could be a platonic pal.
Yeah?
Yeah, I reckon he could.
Get him on the channel.
Yeah, absolutely.
Sure.
I mean, he lives in Puerto Rico.
And we get him on the voice chat.
You get him on the voice chat, absolutely. I'd love him to just talk about just like his jazz music type infused stuff. Because it's cool. I like his stuff. I just kind of like defaulted into playing. Do you want to play, Harry?
No, you're okay. You're okay, isn't it?
Okay.
That food is really sitting on me fun. I did a lot today.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
I've had about, I don't know, maybe 4 meals. Not meals, but I've had the microwave burgers as in betweens. I'll be eating as well.
Oh, okay.
I had the pate. Shout out.
Well, that's good for you.
Yeah, it is for me.
Yeah, because you need to put on some weight.
Yeah.
Whereas I need to do the opposite. Here they come. Here they come, Harry. We didn't turn it down. Yield.
I was going to quote something, but I forgot the words now.
Oh, okay, end of the line. Fair enough. Choo-choo. Ooh, cinematic. I kind of remember this bit now. I remember it just being basically, hey, you remember this combat system that we've got? We're going to use it now for a good while. And that's about it, no story.
Combat systems are a load of jank.
Yeah, exactly. A lot of games tend to do that. They just give you. Oh wait, what?
And Uncharted did that in the first one a lot.
Yeah, but then that was more action oriented, wasn't it?
I've not played them. It's just like people are like, oh, they get really good
Yeah.
as they go.
Oh yeah. Everybody likes. Oh
2.
no. Yeah, the second one. Yeah. Oh yeah, that'd be good. Yeah, I think I owned them. Oh, it's gonna spawn birds while I'm doing this, isn't it?
Whereas if they come from the right, you're fine.
Yeah. From that very specific angle. Well, at least we saved the little canister there. Right, was there... Oh, there is something down there. Yeah, okay. Let's go down. We do go down. Oh, no. Oh, no. Help me. Hopefully Oh, no. Okay, I think we're good. Oh, there we go. Alright. We just need to... Oh, can I? No. Come on. There we go. Yeah. Nice. Good stuff.
That was very considerate. In most games, when they have something like that, you just drop and get stuck. You're stuck.
Yeah, absolutely. Alright.
There is something about us playing this when we start to play. I start to relax and tend to get somewhat of a tired vibe.
Yeah?
Yeah, I like it though. It's just a relaxing time.
Yeah.
It's like a chill time.
Oh, shall we go for the shotgun now?
Yeah, why not?
Yeah, let's...
I go get fire except
Oh, I have one here.
Thank you.
There you are. Yeah, okay. Oh, there's a lot more bullets than that. I'll probably use them more, but still. Oh, that's the one thing about this game. Just switching from, like, one side to the other every second for me. Because, like, for me, the character is on the left. You read from left to right in our
I like that.
culture.
Yep.
So your character is on the left. And they do it in most games. Have that. You can change it in some games. But like God of War, they have him on the left. But yeah, this one game, there's no way of changing. I think it'd be a bit embarrassing if I played this through three times, and you're able to change it.
But he's on the left now.
He is at the moment. You can change it with the right analog stick, but I mean like it defaults to him being on the right a lot of the time.
Oh, I see. I've not noticed. I've probably played it as such.
Yeah, you probably have. It's just a little nitpicky thing that I have, really. Okay, alright, we're all coffeed up. And now that I've mentioned it, he's staying on the... Oh, there you go.
Ah, yeah.
Whoa, 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 they're coming through the ground!
Oh, I see.
Did you hear that one throw? Ah! Alright, I've been pretty on point with this. Although they've not thrown more than one block at me. But every time I've mentioned something so far in this episode, it's changed as I say it. So I'm just looking around for him.
Yeah, give it time.
Yeah. Oh, is there anything in this corner? Nope. I know that we've talked about this before, but I do worry about like being interesting while playing. So like I don't want to look around too much, but then that's my natural state of being. It's just looking around all the time. Oh, hello. He just kind of popped up. Ooh.
Like different play styles. There's so many different people who play different ways, and they always find an influence or something that you don't mind, you know.
Yeah.
I have been phases where I just don't really talk much and then I like a personality also.
Yeah.
Like I go to him for certain things or go to
Yeah. Like, oh god. Imagine like people coming to us for everything. I think that's probably a lot of people's problem as well. Is that they're expecting them to be just like that one person. Like for everything. And that's probably where you get the hate comments, like, oh, you should do it like this, or you should do it like that. Yeah. There was one guy that I think he was called Cry. He played, I think it was Binding of Isaac or something. And he was really tired. And I just really liked his chill vibes for that video. I watched another one of his videos and I was just not interested because he was awake. It was just, yeah, not the vibe that I was going for or like wanting. But, whoa.
No, I was just saying, so you don't tread in it. You
Oh.
just tread it, don't worry. But no, whatever you find yourself doing is always going to be able to find it.
Yeah.
So, you know, you will watch someone that you might think is boring, but then other chill guys, like Tom from work, he's very laid back and chill. So it's like I would see him probably, if he does watch them things, he'd probably watch someone that's similar to him and is probably more chill rather than someone that's outrageous and got a proper personality. And
absolutely. I mean, I do like a bit of both.
4 cats in the YouTube title.
Yeah. There's a guy called Alpha Red that I watch. He plays a lot of Smash and he plays a lot of just all sorts of smaller indie games sometimes. He does this like Steam cleaning series. But he is a lot of... he's got a lot of energy, but he's also got that like so tired of everybody's shit sort of mentality as well. He just does his own.
Probably likeable way.
Yeah, so he just does his own thing.
Yeah.
He's got like that satirical side to him, which I really like.
Yeah.
Oh, all right.
Fuck a game out of
Oh, hello. Yeah, you attack that tree.
I like trees. I'm saying to them, I absolutely like trees.
Yeah, me too.
Trees
I'm pretty partial to trees.
The ones that give us.
Yeah. No, I like trees and I like clouds. Call me boring.
Yeah.
They're pretty great. They look very pretty. Can always do with good tree. Can this guy just stop for a moment? Every single time one of these guys happen, I'm just so done with it within seconds. Oh yeah, but these are normal guys. I'm just gonna do one of these.
Yeah. I've been trying to do that less, you know, like the whole series stuff.
Yeah.
I've just been spamming it when I get it.
Absolutely. And you have more fun.
You do,
you
do.
So much more fun.
You do.
And that's...
it does make the game, you think, oh, I'll say that's something important.
Because you're actually...
not playing the game.
Yeah. I still do that sort of thing with potions and stuff, like say with Skyrim or something, you know. I don't use poisons and I don't use stuff like that. Maybe I'm just making the game too easy. I should be like using all these systems, but it's a fine balance between like how you like to play the game.
I was going to say, with Skyrim it's more of a preference.
Yeah.
Because you can go down you can one-hit KO people if you choose to, if you go down.
Yeah.
Or you could be sneaky little fucker and do it
But
like that.
everyone defaults to just using the bow and arrow.
See, I've barely done that.
Yeah.
Because I know it's kind of like OP and stuff.
Yeah. It's like, it's a kind of a stereotype of like a Skyrim player.
I was going to
Another one of these guys. Pardon?
I was going to go back on the Doom thing, I didn't. Because I haven't played it since I got a PlayStation.
Oh, yeah.
I would also like to play that.
Oh, nice. I didn't realise you got so far.
Well, I say I'm nearly done. The main quest line is up but I've done a lot of the side stuff.
Yeah.
It's
So,
technically there on the feed, but it's nothing like the Skyrim one.
Is Skyrim longer then than Oblivion?
I don't know yet. I don't want to say yet in case I am wrong.
Well, what do you feel
longer.
like?
I don't know. I wouldn't say. I would say there's quite a bit more on it.
How about side quests? Is there more side quests?
Alright, so the side quest, like I'll use the Beast School for example, I was going to say in Obsidian, in Oblivion, it's not as in depth as it is in Skyrim. Skyrim you get right into the
Yeah.
right? And you do get a bit involved in it, but I think people understand what I'm on about. Especially for the part it's pretty much just talking to a person, doing what they tell you to do, talking to a person, getting them to tell you what to do, which is Bethesda anyway. But you're kind of just not doing it in the Thieves Guild itself, you know?
Right.
You're just talking to a guy out, you meet him somewhere. Spoilers for anyone that hasn't played it. I would like to play it.
How old is that game now?
2008.
Ah, come on!
Hold on.
Oh no! I'm about to die.
2006, I think. 2011. But I don't know. There's certain things you can do in it that you can't do in Skyrim.
Right. Oh! Yeah! Oh! Yes! Oh god! I nearly died. Whew.
Oblivion has a certain charm about it.
These guys just... Stop! I don't. Can this... Oh my lord. There we go. Alright.
Wow. Wilson time. Wow.
Wow. See, I always love the George Takei. It's like, oh my.
Oh, yeah.
And it always gets everyone. Like, every time I do it. It's like, oh my. My.
There's something about him in the
I hope he's not bloody dead.
No,
He's
no,
old.
no, he's not.
Ah! Oh no! Oh, what do we do here? Nothing. It did nothing to get close.
When you get to the top, the final boss is Thomas.
Have you seen the Skyrim mod? Jesus Christ!
Yeah,
When that first came out, when I saw the trailer, of like, well, just the intro, it was like, what is that thing? Doo doo. Oh, it's amazing. Have you heard the like? It's like I can't remember the song that it got remixed with, but it's like a rap song. And it's remixed with Thomas the Tank Engine.
I think I have.
I think it got a little bit famous. But yeah, it was amazing. It could have been X Gon Give It To You.
Oh, probably.
It could well have been that.
They have seen a lot of that of X Gon Give It To You.
Ooh. Yeah, it's great.
It's great every time, though. Every
Yeah.
time I see it, I'm just like, yeah.
Yeah. Have you seen it edited over to Resident Evil?
Yeah, I've seen
Oh, yeah.
the Mr. X.
That became quite a thing.
Yeah. I can't wait for Resi. Oh my.
Well, the new one, Village.
Yeah, I
I
can't.
need my vampire ladies.
Yeah, I'm not too keen. When I say I'm not too keen on her, I just, you know how the internet went mad about her.
Oh yeah.
I did go mad, but not for them same reasons. Because I was just like,
Yeah.
no, all of them. I just thought they were cool, and I do like strong females in a good story. You know, whether they're good or bad doesn't matter. Yeah, it's just great to see.
Yeah, but big lady.
She's a big lady, and it's like, but as I say, because of her size,
Yeah.
she does seem scary. Like if she rolled up on
Oh
you,
yeah.
you
But
know,
in a please don't hurt me.
that's what everyone else is like. I'm genuinely, please don't hurt me. It's like, look, I will defend myself, but if I still lose, I'm gonna like.
Oh
I'm just gonna feel
no.
powerless.
Oh my.
Yeah. It could be like me and this other person getting grabbed up by her, and he's getting really turned on by her, and I'm like, where am I? What the fuck is going on? It's like, jeez.
You're like
Man or woman. Because I see a lot of the girls love her as well, man.
Yeah.
A lot of people loving her.
Oh yeah. Absolutely.
I like that they got that. I like it.
I'm into the other girls as well.
Yeah,
they,
same. I was about to get on to
They
them.
look like they could kill me, so I'm into that.
Yeah, they look very dangerous.
Yeah.
Very, very dangerous. So it's.
I'm always down to die. It's fine. Figuratively speaking, I'm actually quite life positive these days.
Yeah, I can't wait for
I've
it,
done
man.
pretty well with my mental health,
Yeah. Well,
if I do
yeah.
say so myself. Oh, this is going to be a bugger. It's going to be one of these areas where we
They
just
do love to throw them at you.
yeah,
Spam everything, man.
absolutely.
I do believe. Sorry, going back to the room. I do believe. I'm not going to say. But I do believe it's quite obvious, which I'm not happy that they believe how it's going to go and
Yeah.
what's going to happen. They just see a lot of trade. Well, I know the werewolves. And I know they can be.
There's werewolves?
Do you know? Well,
To be honest, I've not actually seen that much. I've just seen the big lady.
well, it's supposed werewolves. They might technically not be, but they are some sort of, I think, resemble that. You know, them being vampires and then.
I guess, yeah. If you're gonna have vampires, you might have werewolves as well.
And they do.
Which
do
is
a bit
very.
risky lately.
It's interesting for the Resi series because they don't tend to go that way, do they?
They don't, because it's a technical science thing where it's biology and mutating people to come out differently, like
It can.
wrong. They could go there.
I mean, yeah,
They could
they've
argue
gone
they
into
could go.
like the what was the Resi 5 people? What were they called?
I'm not a Resident fan. What do you mean?
The ones with like the bug heads.
Oh,
what were they called? Something, right? Starts with an M.
I do know they. Yeah. This doesn't look good for me right now. I liked Resident Evil 5 actually.
You like Resident Evil? Name the top 5 albums.
I could go through 1 and 3, Veronica and things like that because that was when I was really loved it.
Yeah.
It should have been a
I mean, yeah, I don't blame you for not knowing the Resi 5 thing.
Yeah,
Do you see how I finessed that one guy?
Yeah, literally as well, shocking.
That was nice.
No, Resi 5 was still fun in my eyes, but it wasn't the Resi we used to.
It was my first, so I've got a soft spot for
Yeah,
it.
of course. And same with Resi 4. Unfortunately, Resi 4 was the first for a lot of people, and that's why they called it the best. And it's like, I don't think it is. I think it's great. It's not the best.
Yeah. Oh,
he was one hit.
I finessed him as well.
That's like me and
Come on,
Apex,
come on,
and I've got
come on,
like one
come on.
shot.
There we go. That felt very nice.
Just get sprayed from nowhere and trying to heal.
And now we're gonna have to wait forever for this thing.
Hopefully. I feel like I am going to be biased when it comes out. I think I'm going to pretty much enjoy it. However, as well, I don't think I'm going to be able to hide that very well. So everyone will have an honest critique of it. I feel like certain people, and I know I'm going to just love it.
Yeah.
I just know that.
Yeah. I mean, everyone loves it. Will love it for a different reason. Yeah. Hey, I haven't seen one of them in a little while.
I don't think it's going to be as scary as 7 was, though. Just because it is a bit more open now.
And
7 didn't really scare me. Like, everyone else is jumping around me, and I'm just like,
to be honest,
bang, bang, bang.
it did it for me. It made
Yeah,
me feel scared.
Oh, it's great at doing it. It's great at doing it.
Yeah, yeah. It builds the atmosphere. But now that the initial fear of it has worn off, because now it's another first-person
Turn back
game.
now.
They're like, chucking the stuff ain't gonna do anything, it keeps moving, so we'll just block it instead.
Yeah. Oh, Jesus.
I will stay seated, no.
You know what? If she just invested in some more barrels,
Here's a bit fun.
like the whole world would be hers now. Yeah, let's just fire another one. What's that?
It's the,
What's...
Sorry. It's the one where if you die it comes back differently, she lands on a planet.
Oh, that
She's also
one.
got her own little bit of trauma going on, so it's messing with her.
She's got
in
something
this
in
place.
her arm or something that's making her better off. Like,
I didn't even know that.
Oh, okay.
But she's
that's...
blonde, lady in a spacesuit. That's
oh
going
yes,
around
that
shooting
one
things.
character, the blonde lady in the spacesuit.
Sure.
That's never happened before.
Exactly.
Sarah.
So, I would like to I don't know. I'm chancing things a lot more now with the games. I'm feeling to get right back on it, you know.
Good. Yeah, they're a good medium, man.
Yeah.
Very immersive.
Turn back
And anything that
now.
I think to take a chance.
I played a little game, it was today I played the game, I don't remember the name of it. I should really react more than like, oh jeez. Oh, sorry, can't speak and do things. What was I talking about? I was playing a little game earlier. Oh yeah. Do a barrel roll. That's an old meme. I was playing a little platformer from 2007, and it's called Kind, or can't mispronounce that. Oh God, get off me!
You're doing alright.
Considering. Oh, that was not the weapon I was meant to use, but that is completely okay. And there should be some more ammo back here.
That'll do. That'll do.
And yeah, it was just a very basic game. And it just gives you abilities. Like, at first you start off walking a little. Oh boy. I dodged! Dodge me! There we go. Yeah, it lets you walk for a little bit, and then lets you run, and then it gives you a higher jump, and then it gives you a double jump. Very simple sort of premise.
Yeah.
It's just done really well.
Yeah, that's what you want, though, really.
Yeah. Oh Jesus. Oh, these rocks are gonna bloody kill me.
Some of the latest games are so simple.
Yeah, absolutely.
I feel like that again, going back to Undertale, although it had its different ways of doing things, it still started off as a very simple.
Yeah,
process.
absolutely.
It was like, I wanted to do this.
You've just got to move out the way of things sometimes. Wow, tornado! A car flew at me. Wow. I feel like it's reacting. Professional beauty. Oh, this is so much going on.
Yeah, you do some so I'll try and do something. Maybe we could start the day with something like this. You know?
Yeah, I've actually set an alarm for tomorrow for 7 o'clock in the morning. Because my art group has just started doing morning photo session. Jesus, that was right in the face. Yeah, right? That would totally kill you in real life. Oh Lord.
One chair's gonna kill you.
Oh.
I mean, it would.
Okay, right. We're busting this out, and we're going to be using flashbangs. Goodbye. Oh. Okay. It definitely flashbanged me. Oh.
Oh, well done.
Oh. Oh. Skills. That's something. I didn't even see it coming, to be honest. Oh, that's not good. There we go. Yeah, I guess.
Yeah, I like this.
Unless I'm actually like standing on something else. No, this is definitely it. There's birds now.
Making this up.
Oh, I thought that was gonna. Right. What am I meant to be shooting?
I don't even feel like this is the same platform, really.
Yeah, oh, move back there. Oh, the bird's gonna hit me on there. Oh, there. See, I knew it. The birds are the worst thing in this game. Destroy the tornado.
Speaking of birds and going back to us and even bringing it back to me, one let down of us doing it, there was no bird.
Yeah? Was that a thing?
Yeah,
Am I really meant to just aim at this for a little while?
Aim for the middle?
Yeah, I guess. Oh wait, am I meant to be using these? Oh god. Oh!
What the fuck?
I got pushed!
Humpty Dumpty
was pushed. Oh my days. Alright. Okay. Alright. You're not the one other one. I know she doesn't say it, but a big bang. I had that for my own personal games.
You can't win.
There's one.
Yeah. Shall we just do it from here?
Yeah. Where it seems
This is where we get pushed. It's auto-aiming against these things. Alright, I'm gonna shoot at it. No? Yes? That didn't really work out. Huh. This is something. Should I just shoot it into the middle?
Yeah.
Just keep doing that. Didn't really work. Yeah. This is an epic moment of the game, apparently. Oh, it's doing something. Oh, okay. No more.
I hope that's an infinite amount.
Yeah, I really hope so. Oh yeah, it definitely is. So we'll definitely have to use it. Alright. Is that what I'm meant to do though? Am I meant to be doing this? Oh!
Dang it.
I chose the wrong time to do that.
At this point, if this was happening to me, I think I would have just jumped at it.
Oh, God. Yeah. Yeah. Tornado, more like tornadon't. Ah. Ah. I'm so annoyed. Oh my God!
You're alive, you're alive, you're
Am
alive.
I looked away. Oh my God! Oh Lord, this is something, huh? Okay, all right. Oh God.
It's hard to
Like, cause it's giving me this. It's giving me all that.
Are you sure you played this game?
I'm pretty sure I've played this game. I just do not remember this one part.
Really?
Very not memorable.
Then again, I didn't remember something from Resi, so...
Yeah, you've got no... Do I go over there? Shall I look before I jump?
Wait for the bus.
Alright, we'll wait for the bus, because that keeps
Do a
getting...
bit like it. And then hit the bus.
Hey, I killed something. Alright. Oh,
No bus?
no bus. Oh,
Oh, there's the
there's a
bus.
bus.
It's a shit.
Nice. Alright, okay. Alright.
Boat?
Yeah, it's part of the boat.
I do like boats.
You like boats?
I like to see it. Sounds right. I would love to be on a boat. I love that.
I had to get light into its heart to hurt it.
Okay, alright, there you go.
I did say you have to shoot it.
Yeah.
Thanks, man.
It took a while to get that hidden, huh?
Yeah.
Alright, let's reload that. Not that we need it. Oh boy. I really don't want to... Okay, alright.
You will fail.
Exactly. Alright.
It's all in your head.
Oh, no, yeah, she did it
Okay. Alright, and here's the birds. Alright.
You're
Well, my
weak,
bow.
Melissa.
Yeah. Oh,
Anyway.
I think we did it. Yay! I've clearly never played this on the on my
That's
PC.
awake.
I don't know if this is the end. Oh, I think we've got that extra little epilogue thing.
Oh.
I would not stand that close to the edge.
I mean, yeah, he's intending dropping in. But I was about to say the same, like he's legit.
He's gonna belly flop it.
That's the worst thing you could do.
Yeah, especially in that water. Oh, it was all a dream.
Shh, baby. You were having a bad dream. It was just another nightmare.
No,
Now
Everything's
he's
fine.
awake.
Home.
it wasn't a dream.
Never told that joke before.
Fine. Turn the lights on.
Yeah.
Turn the lights on.
You see, the darkness was outside
Shh,
the window.
baby.
Mm.
The power's out. There's no light. Come back to bed and I'll make you
Okay.
forget all
She's
about
really
your
trying to
fear.
pull out all the stops.
My fear?
Yeah.
It's your fear.
Set the place.
Why
on
aren't you afraid?
Fire.
You're not Alice.
Kind of looks
Turn the
like
lights
it.
on
Right there,
now.
bro.
Where's the
Yeah,
plan? What did
like
you
there's
do with
more
it?
traditional ways of killing
You're still
people.
one foot in a dream. You're not making any sense.
Good old
Come
stone.
back to bed. Alan?
That's it.
Sticks and stones,
Yeah, literally.
breaking
Taking your
bones.
pills? Do you want me to call Dr. Hartman?
That's it. That's it.
What? What? What did you do to him?
You see, the darkness was outside the window.
Alan?
She really trying to pull out all the stops. It would be great if you could kill her with snow.
I
She
read
is
the
a witch.
manuscript.
Mm.
It's brilliant.
I wish my
Departure is your
wife could
best work
teleport.
yet. You're a genius.
Nah.
I'm so proud. We'll talk more about it in a minute.
I wish I had a wife.
Yeah, meet you halfway. Get the money.
yeah, alright. No, okay, if we're meeting halfway, I wish I could teleport. I don't need a wife.
You get the wife by showing off your teleportation skills.
Exactly. Who needs a stable relationship when you can teleport?
Come back to bed, Alan.
Come back to bed, Tom.
Oh my. Oh my. The words have become reality. They're hitting it straight on the head this time.
You must find your way to the cabin.
Oh yeah, we still need to go there, huh?
These things, man. Bioshocks great.
It has no heart.
I heard Bioshock 2 wasn't as good.
Bioshock 2 is just fun.
You must
Yeah.
fill
It's,
its
I
heart
love
with
it.
light.
It's just fun.
Fair dues.
It's
I
not
do want to
bad.
go through Infinite as well.
Infinite is great. I was talking about Tom and Lady Infinite.
Oh, this bit you might want to actually.
Don't mind him. He's Mr. Scott. Your friends will meet him when you're gone.
It's creepy.
You're looking to replace you with this dark person.
Use the clicker.
Like, don't mind him. This guy's just gonna take your life. You know? Full on, what's the Arnold Schwarzenegger film? There's a film with Arnold where he's like cloned and. What is it? What's it called? Something Days? Words. Birds. Ooh, nice. I hope it picks that up on the mic, Harry.
Oh, I'm not sure I'll do it. I'll do it if I'm
I really hope that came in the mic. You just half-hearted.
When you have balance of 0 towards mine, you learn.
Yeah, oh yeah.
You learn.
Absolutely. You just...
I'm leaving
It's
you.
humility,
What?
Harry.
I'm leaving you, Alan. I met someone. I'm in love with someone else.
Alice?
I
No.
always
say
remembered
it.
this part
You
just
can't-
feeling like
don't
padding.
love me.
It's like, fair dues, you got words that turn into things. That's
All you
nice.
do is
After
torture
like
yourself with
5
things you
seconds,
can't
gets a
do
bit
anymore.
boring.
No, I love you more than
And you've given me the
anything in
worst
world.
torch
You're-
again for it.
You're my muse.
Like, it's
Yeah,
taken...
you could just like
You are
Yeah.
my Alice.
This is like a worse version of Okami. I'm just saying.
It wasn't true. Nothing like that had ever happened.
Have I got all of the words here? Yes. I just love that we had a bit of silence there and you just go...
I promise to be good. Please,
wait.
untie me, you naughty
Yeah.
boy. I will help you reach your masterpiece. I will love you
I
forever.
was born in
No,
a breeze
you're not
bar.
Barbara Jagger.
I
made a
didn't fart
terrible
until
mistake.
I
I
was
should have
already a
never
man.
let you back. You came back wrong. Your heart is filled with darkness.
Put that knife away, Thomas. Put it down.
Your heart is filled with darkness.
Oh my god, give me something better. Jesus Christ. Wait, do I... Oh, I can pick up the phone. That means I can pick up the last phone as well.
Filled with darkness.
Yay, backtracking, because I forgot. There's like 2 phones that I missed. Doo-doo-doo. It's probably nothing. What do you want to bet? That it's nothing.
Yeah, I mean,
The rest of my dignity?
we had.
Oh, there wasn't even any.
there.
It's literally nothing. I didn't even have a phone there. Maybe I just fucked up. Maybe I was meant to pick it up right there and then. And now it's disappeared. Oh well. I guess I'll listen to this third one.
I feel like the way to defeating enemies like this is just stubbornness. I believe they would honestly give up first. They just come across someone that just does not care. Like, just...
Yeah. I got one line of dialogue out there, so I willed the cabin to be real. Yeah, okay, alright. Well, I guess that's the cabin.
Nice fucking cabin.
Yeah, I'd live there if it wasn't like plagued by darkness.
Still alive.
To be honest, yeah. Living in London, you get a little bit less picky. You just like that's why the rent is so low. Oh no.
To be fair, in London, you do get a lot more positive people. Generally, the idiots are just so
idiotic.
Now you will never get her back.
Yeah.
Why'd you got a big hole through it?
It's probably what happened, to be honest.
Than
I'm older than you, that means that I get my way. Oh my god.
Someone else to
Oh, she's got a key. Oh no, the clicker, he's gonna fist her.
in that hole.
In the hole. To be honest, I've had moments like that sometimes. Yeah, oh yeah, sometimes it does come out the eyes.
It's been that long.
It has been a while, man. It leaks. Oh, I think with that we just beat the game, Harry.
Finally.
Yeah. Yeah.
I could feel Alice's presence close by.
This
I
game.
understood what I had to do now. I knew how to write the ending to Departure. There's light and there's darkness. Cause and effect. There's guilt and there's atonement. But the scales always need to balance. Everything has a price. That's where Zane had gone wrong. There's a
I could write 10 books in a year.
Alice? Alice?
Oh my, that's me. Should have put my phone on silent.
Should put something.
Oh no!
You tried.
Got an end of song stuck in my head from whenever. Remember, people, you can avoid all this if you have an underwater flashlight. You can
Yeah.
actually save his missus, shine it in her face, take the missus back up, fuck off.
I wonder what an underwater flashlight would be. Be the same, wouldn't it?
Be the same.
Yeah.
More plastic, I guess.
More plastic, yeah. And maybe some vents on the back for like ease of access. That's the point. You don't want to like stop yourself, so you need to like. We'll talk logistics later, Harry.
Okay.
Business venture. Yay! We did it! I'm so proud of us.
That's has been like consistently cool.
Well, yeah,
Loads of
she's
shit.
damp. Of course she's cool. Ah.
I want to give that a part reach. But yeah, imagine like someone you know is a bit of a dick and some kind of force is after them. They choose you as the ransom.
Yeah.
I ain't got nothing to do with this, mate.
Yeah, mate.
You know it. Who do you think you are?
some kind of superstar.
It's all good, man. We've all got lights on our phone now.
Exactly. Like, I'll just be ringing up my friend like, hey mate, yeah, there's some weird crap going on, but you know what? Torches. It seems to work.
Yeah, I think that game.
Although the only thing that would be bad for us is the fact that I know that we can get a gun here, but we don't have guns like readily available.
Oh, of course, yeah.
Like-
You have to get it going.
Exactly, with gun people.
Yeah. Walk up to and say, excuse me, scratching me.
Yeah.
Yeah, look both ways. Can I buy a gun?
Can I have a gun, please? Just one shooty thing. Yeah, these are my favourite characters. They're gonna be us. I'm sorry, Harry, you're gonna have to lose an eye.
It's looking to be that way, doesn't it? Oh, who's that? Is that? Bro, that looked like, what's his name?
That was the policeman. What,
Oh, yeah.
Kevin Spacey?
Yeah.
He did look like Kevin Spacey. As a 15-year-old, I loved that line. It was, yeah, no, it's not a lake, it's an ocean.
We talked all the way through that.
We did. Yeah, at the beginning of this game, we were like, oh, shall we, like, not talk through the
It will not be a
cutscenes?
consistent thing. No, it depends on the game.
Hey, we've not
It
even
depends on
been
the game,
consistent with the uploads.
It's true. We will. We will. But I guess.
But now that we've finished,
We finished,
how do you feel, Harry? We've finished our first series.
Happy that we've done it.
Yeah, it was
To be
commitment.
fair. Yeah,
Like,
it was.
I know it was
We
playing
completed
video
it.
games, but
We
it's a
committed.
commitment.
Yeah. Needed time to.
And like people say, men can't commit. We committed to the video game.
Yeah.
Duh.
And we talked all the way through it, multi time.
And we talked all the way through it. I had trouble sometimes talking and playing at the same time. But I got better at it.
Yeah.
Slightly. So yeah. Imagine having your last name called Police. I know it's got 2 L's, but Police.
Police.
I guess it would be Polis.
Police.
Yeah.
Well, this game was it was alright.
Yeah.
It was alright.
Yeah. Do you feel better now that you've played it?
No, honestly. No.
Why not?
I think this is what I was going to say. Actually, I just think it was very in its time.
Yeah,
And
you should have
probably
played it
didn't
back,
great-
back when I
yeah,
first
Yeah.
recommended
It,
it to you.
I was going to say it didn't do anything for me.
I mean,
Because it got us this start to what we have.
yeah, it's gonna mean more to us as we go along because it was our first game,
Yeah.
proper.
You always remember your first.
Yeah, exactly. Alan Wake
So,
was my first.
yeah, it was actually alright, man. Like, there's nothing. I don't take anything extra away from it.
It's a
apart
bit
from
of
the
a
fact
romp.
that it was just a bit of a yeah.
A bit of a romp. And the fact that we were talking through it, like the whole thing, it does take away from the urgency of it. And that's just going to be the case.
It's kind of because of it's a game of in its time that we were doing that though. I can
Yeah,
guarantee you
yeah,
if we played a game like Resi 7, there'd be no talking because it'd be too tense. Until something funny happened. Like
I
almost
would be
jumped.
talking because I'm tense.
I'd be hard. Yeah, but I'm saying I feel like me
But
and you
I
are
would
both going
be,
off.
to be honest, I'd probably be
I
more
would.
reacting to what's going
That's
on.
what I'm saying.
Whereas
So
with
there'd be
this,
silence at
with
points.
this, it's much more like chilled gameplay. Like
Yeah. It's not that big a deal. I don't mean that in a rude way, but it's not that big a deal to the people that made Alan Wake. But just because it's like, you know, it was a game, it was one of the first original games on the list. I said, I was going to go all the way back and play. You like the game also. You referred me to the game, so we said, why don't we do that?
yeah.
Yeah, we've done it. So, like I said, if other games happen, we won't talk as much. Some games we'll talk loads. If they end up being games
Oh,
that
yeah.
we'll talk.
Yeah, if it's like super story heavy, I mean technically this was, but it had its like gameplay is here, story is here.
It seems more complicated. Yeah, it seems more complicated than it is.
Whereas-
It's literally just dark forces trying to
Yeah.
steal your misses. And,
Yeah.
do you know what I mean? Like it's not much of a thing
Yeah.
really.
And going back to like story here, gameplay here, a lot more games more recently saying like Uncharted, like the newer Uncharted, they blend the two a lot more.
Because the first one I had that fun, the second one I
Yeah,
found was really
things
good.
like Last of Us 2 and Last of Us, they have all that dialogue between like set pieces as well, where it's just like character moments.
Well, we could do Uncharted also quite soon, because I feel like the first one we are going to talk through, because it's pretty much a shooter. Story-based maybe as much. Then by the time the second one comes on, I feel like we'll ease into it and...
It's the fourth one that we probably won't talk through as much, because it's something that
quite dramatic.
Yeah, the way that they do it is like a TV show or a movie. Yeah, it's Naughty Dog, of course.
Well, I like that. Like I say, even with Last of Us 2, I liked quite a lot of things I didn't like about it, quite a lot I did like about it, and I still liked that.
The only issue I had with that is the pacing with the first half of the game. They just needed to change one bit, and if we go into the game, I'll talk about it. But the basic of it is that with the open world bit, all they needed is like a chase sequence with a tank or something to get you out of that area.
Is it because that area is kind of not needed in a sense, isn't it?
Basically,
you literally just walk around and go, oh, this is open, then move on, don't you?
Yeah.
So,
you collect a couple of things from different parts, and then you bring it back.
Fucking guitar in a room.
See, I liked that.
I did like that. I loved it.
But it's just there was no real urgency. They should have had. It would have been really cool if they had that open area, but maybe had this truck with a gun on top prowling it, and you have to like get around that whole area while like hiding from this truck. A bit like the first game, but that was a linear section.
Just give you options, open it up. You mean?
Yeah. Like give them something to hide from.
You know what done that sort of thing very well?
What's that?
Metal Gear.
Yeah.
5 is open world.
Is it? Oh yeah, of course it is. Yeah. I was thinking 4 for a second. That's a series that I'd like to actually go and play.
I enjoy all of them. I haven't finished 5, and I don't know why. Because I know what it is. We'll end this video soon, but we do like to talk about games and stuff. It's just a bit. I end up playing it getting so far. With it being quite open, I end up doing what I feel is just
the tiny stuff, or
it just becomes a little bit the same mould until you get to the big moments.
Yeah.
And in them moments between, I get lost if another game comes out. I'm like, well, I'll rush through that, or I'll go through that. And then
it just goes. Yeah,
I've done that like 3 or 4 times with it.
Yeah,
You know what I mean?
see what you mean. Yeah. See, I can get like really bogged down in the minutiae of like games where there's a lot to do. Like I'll just get really bogged down into this tiny stuff, and that's why I feel like I'll be bad at playing some of these games like on a YouTube channel. I like with Cyberpunk, I did all of the side quests.
You did actually, didn't you? Did you get the gun that talks to you?
Yes, yeah, I did. I did not get the option to give it to what's her face, because that should have been a thing. Maybe I just didn't use it enough, but I used it quite a lot.
I don't know. Didn't even get it. The missus told me about that.
Fair enough.
But yeah, that was Alan Wake.
As you can see.
And we'll be back with, I don't know what our next game's going to be.
It could be something small. I was suggesting Link to the Past recently. I mean, that's actually kind of a long game, to be fair. But I've got it on my Switch now.
We could do that. We could get a couple going.
We could get a
one
few.
and a long one going, you know?
Yeah, that's what I'd like, is like a short one and a long one. That's what she said.
So hopefully we can get into the routine, because like we said, we wanted to upload on certain days.
I just want to be awake for a little bit longer every day, because I'm just sleeping all, like so much. I'm sleeping for like almost 12 hours a day, and that's half of the day. So if I get like 8 hours, do say like 2 hours in the morning or something, or like midday-ish.
Yeah, no, that's
and then we'll have the energy for it as well.
Yeah, exactly. It's always good to do new things.
Yeah.
But yeah, we will be back with, hopefully, we'll maybe start Link to the Past as the long game.
That
See what
could be.
short game we could do? Something like Undertale. I don't know. I keep hearing that Undertale because it's short.
I mean, yeah, that's not the shortest of games. We could do like
You can get through that quick.
Yeah. I mean, we could do like even just like Cluster Truck or something like that.
I mean,
Go
we
back
can
to
still
that.
do that if you like.
Yeah.
We
Yeah, we could just do that
Just
as
do
well.
fun games and talk. I'll tell you what, we'll do them when I have good old chit chats on them.
Yeah. Oh, one of us can talk and the other one's just going to be like
Yeah, true.
all the time. Okay. All right. Let's cut this video.
Yeah,
We've gone through this the second time now.
this is next time of the night right now, so. It's not
Yeah.
that late, is that one?
Yeah, it's just gone one.
One.
In the
so
morning.
hopefully
I can now upload the other videos that we've done a couple of weeks back. So it's nice to actually do that. I'm gonna have to do the thumbnails though. What I did with the thumbnails, I wanted to end it at 25 because I saved the PNG of the thumbnail, but I didn't save the original file. So now the layout of it is wrong for the last few episodes that I did.
We can do it.
I'm just gonna like botch it over it. One thing that I want to do for the games that we start playing, maybe not all of them, because if we start to play a few at the same time, I want to draw a picture for the thumbnail. Like an actual bit of art for the thumbnail. Because then I don't have to worry about copyright or anything like
I would
that.
say you maybe do that for each new one we do.
Yeah. I'm not for each video.
Yeah, I was gonna say,
Not for
that's a
each
lot of
video.
work,
Oh,
actually,
no,
sure.
not for every video. Maybe if it's a longer game and there's a big change in the game or something like that, then I'll like change the picture every like maybe 20 episodes or something like that.
Seasons.
Yeah.
You know. Yeah, a lot of things we.
So
we
that's
look
an
to do.
idea that I want to do, and I want to start editing these as well, just slightly.
Yeah, little funny things here and there.
Yeah. All right.
Thank anyone that is watching this first
Anyone,
round.
please.
You could have cut out ages ago.
Please, yeah, I would have.
But thank you for watching.
Yeah. I love you all, and stay safe, drive safe, play safe. Wear a mask.
Think it's not real. Just in case.
Don't let the bed bugs bite.
Unless you like it.
Keep the light on. Stay awake. It's not a lake, it's an ocean.